In this video, we go over how to serve Lime scooters. What's up guys, your driver Mike here, back with another video. This channel is dedicated to success in the gig economy, so if you're new here, consider subscribing. As a lime juicer, you've successfully harvested and charged your lime scooters. Now it's time to serve them the next morning. Note, lime requires all juicers to serve all of their scooters by 7 a.m. Number 1, switch from harvest mode to serve mode. Here you will see all available hubs and the number of scooters available to be served at each hub. Once finding a lime hub that you'd like to serve at, click on the hub and then click on Reserve. This is a great function that allows you to reserve that specific lime hub for 30 minutes. Once traveling to and arriving at your lime hub, click on Serve. To serve each scooter, scan the QR code located on the handlebars or manually enter the scooter's number. Once scanning all of your scooters, click on Serve at the bottom of your app. The Lime app will then prompt you to take a picture to confirm your drop-off. Make sure your scooters fit the serve criteria by keeping them 8 to 10 inches apart, turning handlebars to the left, etc. After taking the picture, you'll see a short wait screen, followed by your confirmation. This confirmation screen will show you the dollar amount earned for the limes you've just dropped off, as well as the opportunity to rate your lime hub. Your driver Mike here. I do appreciate you watching. Leave a like if you enjoyed the video, subscribe to join your driver team, and I will see you in the next one.